Now, a little while ago, a couple of weeks ago, we were thinking about why polar bears were disappearing and also pandas were having troubles too. We were saying they were endangered. So that means that they were in trouble, they were in danger. So, do you know what? There are animals in this country too that are endangered. And on the Padlet, there are 4 for you to choose from, but there are many more, and you can look at them up on the internet and see if you want to choose a different one. But I've chosen a hedgehog because I rather like hedgehogs. So I know that hedgehogs, because I was reading about them, hedgehogs are having trouble because people are keeping their gardens tidy. And there's no little rough edges for them to hide in, and there's no piles of logs and leaves and bits of stuff that they can hide in, especially in the winter. And they eat things like slugs. And people are trying to kill their slugs because they eat all their vegetables and their plants. So they're trying to get rid of them that way too, which doesn't help the hedgehog. So I'm going to write hedgehogs, and I'm writing hedgehogs because there's more than one that's having trouble. And it's a plural. This is hedgehog. That means one hedgehog. So we need a plural, so it's hedgehogs. Hedgehogs, so capital letter, because it's the beginning of the sentence. Hedgehogs. So hedgehog, there's a singular, and this makes it more than one hedgehog. Hedgehogs are in trouble. Trouble, because that's a good word. And we've been using that quite a lot recently, haven't we, in our non-fiction writing. Because. So because hedgehogs are in trouble because people, or let's just write we, shall we? We. Because then you can all write we, because it's w, and then this is a set 3 sound, isn't it? E. W-e, and it's only used on short words like he, me, and she. Hedgehogs are in trouble because we are, and do you remember, if you look on the Padlet, this is a sound as well. This says air, but when it's a word on its own, it says are. Hedgehogs are in trouble because we are keeping our, and our is one of our words, our gardens, R start the car, dens, our gardens tidy. I'm going to just check that this makes sense. Hedgehog, that's my title, so you could underline it. I still can't find my ruler, so I'm not very helpful. Hedgehogs are in trouble because we are keeping our gardens tidy. So that's one reason why they're in trouble. You might find some more.